What's up, Mercedes ML fans? John here with Infidel Garage and the ML4 Dirty project. Something really small here. Just added these little yellow fogs due to that snow trip on the return. I couldn't see a damn thing. Cut this big old light bar on and it was just blinding. So hopefully these fogs, I can tip them down, get them under the fog so I can see what the hell's going on the road. And they kind of just look cool. Going with the black, yellow, and silver theme here. You can see I'm actually making all the yellows match. Doing the calipers. Needs to be orange. Oh, there's too many damn colors going on. So everything's getting the yellow brake caliper paint, including the shackles, the winch hook. Gonna get to the rear brakes. But you're watching this video to figure out how to wire in auxiliary lights without putting an ugly switch in your Mercedes. So check this out. So headlights on. And Mercedes was nice and kind enough to put this auxiliary light switch in here. So give it a press. And the lights come on. What up, dude?
Done.
Got him installed.
Ooh, cool.
So the way to do that is running off the wire coming out of the 7.5 amp fuse right here. Be a little bit more clear on that. What I just pointed to on there is the underside of this. So you don't want to run anything directly off of the your switch inside the cab. This one's already wired to a relay. Lead comes off the relay through a fuse, and then it's the blue wire coming out of plug E, and then it runs down and over to, I guess, the back tail light assembly. I've never used them before. I don't know if this thing even has rear fog lamps. But I did know the switch worked, and that's all I needed. So I'll probably drop a picture. But underneath here, alright, so you pull your fuse box up, and you can see on this very left-hand plug, there's 3 wires. So in order from closest to me out, 1, 2, 3, it's that 3rd wire, the furthest blue one from me. And I followed it down to a place I could have it easily accessible, and just spliced in my own power wire. Nice and clean, heat shrunk, ran the power wire through the fuse box. Poked a little hole through the rubber here with my light tester. Ran it around through there and to the lights. So they look pretty good. I doubt you'll be able to actually make out the color on camera, but let's see what they look like at night. Get them leveled out. And yeah, they automatically turn off. You turn the headlights off. Turn them back on. Where am I at? And they're back on. Easy as that. Enjoy it.